All right, welcome everyone. So today I'm going to show you how we charge our water. And today I'm going to be charging these bottles with 528 hertz of frequency. And that is a frequency of transformation. And it actually is a frequency that has been scientifically found to be transformative on a cellular level and reparative on a level of repairing DNA. So this has been a very powerful frequency that I've been using in my practice, and I've found that it is very, very powerful at healing and kind of transforming your energies and your body on a cellular level. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this. Let me show you how it goes. So what I'm doing is I'm sending the sound wave through the bottle. I never open the bottles. I always keep them closed and sealed from the factory. So the energy work is done from the outside of the bottle and the sound waves carry right through the water, as you'll see here in a minute when I place the fork on top of each of these bottles. You can already see a little bit of vibration happening in these bottles. Sorry, I don't feel like that one was good enough. There we go. Got a good strong frequency on this one. All right, and that's how we charge our bottles to 528 hertz. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Take care.